Hey guys, and I hope you guys are all doing blessed. So it's been ages since I've done some commentary for this channel, and I'm doing commentary right now before you guys can actually see the title of the video. But I want to give a bit of context and a disclaimer, of course, as well. My disclaimer is: do not hate on any of these people. It will take far too long for me to edit their names out, and just use your common sense, please. I trust you guys will not message them at all. Just please don't. It's not worth it. I'm doing this video for a reason, to showcase how toxic people are, so it would literally make no sense for you guys to be watching this and watch toxic people and be toxic yourselves. That's not the whole point. The whole point is just to showcase how sad people are, and give them the attention they actually want, but to showcase it and to give you guys self-awareness, I guess. As I said, man, don't give them the response they want, give them the response they don't want, and just show people how cringe it is and how sad it is, because it's really childish. A lot of the stuff they're doing is really childish, and it got to me a bit. It got to me a lot, because I just want to chill on stream, play a few games, etc, etc. You guys kind of get the point, but it's hard to do that when I get consistent people coming in chat saying really childish shit. It feels like I'm literally in a fucking playground, and it's so fucking bad. Even if they are joking, it doesn't validate anything they said at all, and I don't believe that. I just want to just be mature. Like, it's not mature at all. It's really cringe, and yeah, it's just, I don't know, I feel like it's a cheaper mentality for people to have when they do stuff like that. Like, they say a joke, right, and they're like, oh, well, we're just joking, but yeah, there's so much flaws in that. Anyways, this is a disclaimer. Do not leave any hate. I didn't block their names out. I can trust you guys. Hopefully, I believe all of you guys are mature watching this. Just don't. It's not good. It's just, yeah, I don't want that at all. I don't want any toxicity at all. They're not worth what you say, and it's not a good thing to do. I'm trying to preach the better things, not the bad things. No negativity. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this content. I love you all always, and it feels good to be doing some commentary again. Anyways, take care, guys. Okay, red shop, not bad. Oh, imagine. No, fuck. I was gonna save. Done. Done. I'm losing bad moves, holy shit. Done. I was gonna leave him. He's so far interested in him. He knows how to efficiently loop a tower and make my power pretty much shit. Can we have that one? Boring. Boring. We have that one, we haven't have a chance of even getting someone down. Because they're just gonna play safe as fuck when I change my chainsaw. Nice, I should have done that. We're brute force. Cool. These guys have sweats. I told you. Play homophobic, get sweats. Yeah, they're all good individually. Okay, you can't go over that before you could. Fuck, that was bad play. Done. I don't care anyway. They're literally an efficient fucking team. Yeah, the TNL there, I forgot. Over there. Trying to get involved in the chase so I can chainsaw you and you dodge it. Not dumb. This is what I said. Yeah, good job. Oh well. Going down like 4 seconds with the M1. You see that? Definitely a Swift, guys. All taking hits as well. Nice. Detrimental homophobia. Okay. Gonna block the window because he has a. Nice. Well played. Come on, the beamers. Yeah. No flash, I saved so far. Okay, we get a trade because you play like an idiot. That's bad play. Don't get up. Break this. Yeah, so this is a coordinated team. You pretty much have to play perfectly to beat a team like this. Right. Yeah, you have DS, that's why you're using dead hard. So you got DS and then you use dead hard in a minute. Never mind. I was proved wrong. I was literally proved wrong. Well done, lad. Okay, both put in the gym. Probably is unbreakable. He's not around, is he? No. Who's the toxic one? Him or Dwight? I think it was Dwight, wasn't it? Or him? I don't know. It's one of them. They're really toxic for no reason. Because their ego is like good to a billion when they're doing well. And they're playing really good, just as their arseholes. Why would I chase you? It makes no sense. Can't hook on nowhere. Yep, never boomed. Grabbed you. Yeah. Nah, fucking stupid mate, man. I knew he was gonna wait out his hold out his dead hard a bit longer. Cause I literally fucking play survivor. They're smart as fuck though with the splitting up. Would have been so nice. What a shame. I'll play you, mate. Yeah. Gonna heal him, he's already 99. Yes, actually. No, don't. Okay, I'll need to stop that chainsaw. Now they're playing stupid because they think they're really good at the game. See, when I saw M1 and they start to lose, how weird is that? I just want to have a chill game where I can chainsaw them, but I can't. Well played, guys. How's the game? Really stressful team. If you saw the start, I missed every chainsaw. I could get one chainsaw on them because they're playing really safe. And as soon as there's one gen left the time I start M1 in. As soon as I start M1 in and chainsaw in a bit, I get them all down. So I started M1 in and chainsaw and I got them all down. 2 dead now because they're playing really cocky and toxic. Really cocky and toxic. And now they're playing like shit. Yeah, mod. No, that's fine, man. I don't really want the mod right now. I mean, you could be actually. I don't know. We'll see. Maybe. But yeah, these guys are really cocky. For some reason. But the game's, yeah, they've been alright. Not bad. It's just this game's not that fun. M1 because there's a winner right there. There's no point in chainsawing. Up to you. Yeah, I know. Nice. Whoa, lag. Where won him? That was horrible play. You have done it? Well done, mate. Good looping. Doo-doo. Fucking toxic piece of shit. Alright. They're really cringe. I beat them, now they're upset. Although they could have won. Literally makes no sense. Okay, I probably do it in the mod. I get really like entitled cringy survivors in chat. Trying to make jokes, and then when I don't laugh at them, they're like, oh, you're boring. So yeah, sure. Get over yourself, guys. Yeah, they're salty winners, right? Or losers, I should say. What happened? I didn't really read the messages because they were really cringe, but I heard somehow beaten, my dad beat me or something. It's really fucking cringe. Like, I know they're joking, but it's cringe as fuck. Like, it's like 10-year-old kind of shit. She had a key anyway. But yeah. So, 4-man SWF probably. I started one in the lose. They had a key. 2 beam got no beam saves, by the way. Yeah, 1 DS. Look at the crutch builds, guys. Adrenaline. Dead hard. Not bad. Not bad dead hards. Borrowed. Yeah, so they had like meta fucking builds. I'm just literally just using the Mimi's build on Autohaven, and they still lost. So who died got more than the one who escaped. The Dwyer and the Steve were toxic arseholes. They believe they're good at the game because they're going against a really weak killer who got nerfed. It's fucking sad, man. Like, they project their emotion and try and make jokes. Like, I don't want to hear that 12-year-old shit in my chat, man. It's fucking cringe. Oh, GG's. Literally fucking mental gymnastics. So sadistic. Yeah, you can tell they're like really cringy people and really awkward people in real life. Not worth having a conversation with. Very hollow people. Not hollow, I mean shallow. See-through as fuck. Anyway, yeah, GG's, good team. It's just arseholes. Okay, so who should I play next, guys? Play some Oni, fuck it. I'm really good with Oni. Nia. Play Nia. Demo, fine, I'll play demo. Build. One Oni game, and we'll do Bubba again with basement build. These guys look good. That Jake looks really good. Alright, let's see. That was a good team last game. I'm not gonna try and deny it. It's just they're really cringy people. Look, look how ableist that is. I'm a Make-A-Wish kid that my last game ever. Like, Jesus Christ. I'm putting this shit on YouTube, man. I'm putting this shit on fucking YouTube. They're so obsessed. I banned them from chat for being cringe and just randomly taking the piss out of stuff. Definitely cringe, yeah. I call it cognitive dissonance, man. My sister died during that game. You're not funny, man. I can tell this type of person who's double standards, contradict themselves and everything like that. You can just tell, right? They're just not the right kind of person you have a conversation with. I want to see my kids, like, so mature, man. Grow up. They want attention. Nah, this is just for in general. They're giving me content. It's a benefit for me. I'm not directly giving them the thingy. It's not direct. Like, if I was replying to them, then yeah, that would be attention. It's just I'm putting this as like kind of awareness. I'm putting it as content in X amount of time. Please don't ban me. I'm getting 5-1. This. Okay. Says. Oh fuck! I already read that one earlier. Yeah. That was a bad play. Too greedy. Definitely too greedy. Never making that. Alright, GG. Well played. Okay, let's look at this shit. Look at this fucking shit.